Hey guys, I just want to make a video real quick just to kind of fill you in on the situation with the MGA. A lot of you guys are asking what's going on with it, as I'm sure you guys want to know what's next, We made a big life change and we ended up moving to Florida with the family. And unfortunately that led us to having to give the MGA back to the owner, which is really unfortunate. And I'm sure a lot of you guys will be bummed about that because you have been following the process from part 1 all the way to part 10. So yes, I will not be making any more videos on the MGA, unfortunately. We got most of the way there. We still had like paint, just a bunch of finishing touches. We had electrical, stuff like that. But a lot of the big work was done on it to get it to where it needed to be. But yeah, really sad situation. I wish I could have finished it. It was a very, very fun project and I learned a lot. I'm really grateful to the owner for letting me do that, not knowing much about restoration to begin with. I'm really glad I was able to do that for him, and I definitely learned a lot with that project. But yeah, I'm really sorry about that. The MGA will be no longer a thing on this channel. That's why it's been so long since I posted about it, because it's just, life's been hectic. I started doing HVAC out in Florida. Well, I did HVAC in Utah actually, but I've just continued that out here and really focused on that in Florida. So, but yep, I'm sorry about the bad news. I'll be posting just car repair videos, and once we get that Mustang situated and figured out, we will definitely be working on that, getting that restored. I'll try to make as many videos as I can on that from start to finish with the restoration process. I haven't hardly touched it at all. I've just done engine tear down and stuff like that, which I do have on video, so I'll get those videos rolling out. But yeah, definitely excited about that project, so stay tuned for that. I do currently have a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and I will be doing a bunch of repair videos on that if anything comes up. I have a 1998 F-150 that I have already got the water pump video out on, but if there's anything else I'm doing on it, I'm going to be posting repairs on that. Basically, any repairs that I'm going to be doing on any vehicles, including friends and family that need work done, I'll be posting. So I would like to just be, a repair channel on just how to do basic things when it comes to repairs on cars. And definitely I will be taking on the Mustang restoration from start to finish. Hopefully once that's done, I'll move on to other restorations, pick up more projects and so on and so forth. But until then, no more MGA, sadly. I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, we'll see where this channel takes us. I hope that it blows up, and I hope that I can help you guys out. One of the subscribers that was watching my water pump video already, I just posted it 3 days ago, and they were able to watch that video, and I was able to help them out with their water pump, because there wasn't a lot of other videos out there like that for that engine size that needed a water pump. So it was really cool to be able to help that guy out, and look forward to making more videos for the channel. So stay tuned for more repairs, and stay tuned for that 67 restoration on the Mustang. See you guys later.